Hi guys, thank you very much for joining me here today. Again, I'm in the kitchen with my favourite friend Kenny, and I'm going to pimp his ride, so to speak. This is the old bowl that I have, plastic. It's a good bowl, but it's plastic and I like glass. So I am pimping the ride of the old Kenwood, and I have bought a Kenwood Glass Bowl. I did a lot of research trying to find out which bowls would fit the Kenwood, and I found that the 4.6 litre, yes 4.6, it's an AT550 accessory, actually fits this particular Kenwood model. Now I'll leave right at the end of the video other models that I know that it'll fit, and it'll be a little chart in a picture. I do hope that you can see it. But yeah, so I'm changing it to the AT550 accessory. Now I found out when I bought it, I thought, oh no, it's not going to work, it doesn't fit. And the prime reason is I didn't change the adapters at the top of my mixing implement. So when I first put it on, I scratched the bottom of the bowl. Yeah, I wasn't too happy about that. But then I since found out, doing a lot more Googling, because I love Google, that at each end of these is a nut. Now I will show this closer on the camera. There is a nut. So I went into the garage and I found a wrench. Yes, I couldn't find anything smaller. But I will show you how this works. So if you find that you do end up buying a glass bowl and it doesn't fit, it may be too high up, so therefore it's not hitting the bottom of the bowl, or it might be too far down, it's actually catching on the bowl. So once you put it on, you'll be able to notice that straight away. So it is, worth checking to make sure you're not going to scrape all your bowl. I scratched all of my bowls. I'm like, why isn't it working? Why isn't it working? So I just let it go round and round and round. When I should have just let it go once, but I know quite clearly by the clanking sound that it wasn't going to fit. So I then went about, Googled, and that's what I found out. So I'll just show you how that is on here. So I'll just bring you in. Okay, so this is the glass bowl, and I'm not sure if you can see on the bottom there, but at the very bottom, when I put it on, yeah, I got it all scratched. You probably can't see that very well. So yeah, when I Googled it and I had a look at these attachments, this nut, so basically you just get a wrench like that, so a wrench like that, and then you just undo the nut like that. So when you've got it loose, it just goes like this. So that is going to make it closer to the bowl. Going that way is going to take it further away from the bowl. So I needed it right down here, and this nut also moves as well, separately. It's just that I've got it right at the end. So if you wanted it further down here, you would have to move this nut. I hope that you can see that. You'd have to move that nut down like that, so it goes there, and then you've got, obviously you can see the screw mechanism up here, but mine needs to be further away. So I undid the screw, like that, and then screw this bit down like so. Now that fits my bowl perfectly, because I did think that I've got the wrong bowl, but once, like you say, Google around, you'll find anything, find any information that you need. So yeah, I'm very happy with the bowl. I will show you fully here. Put this in and push it down. I've got my guard here, and it wobbles a little bit in the actual Kenwood itself, but when the actual mixing is working, it doesn't seem to make any difference. So I just put that down like that and then put it on. No more cranking around. So that worked really, really well. You can see right through it. It also has on the front and on the back, it's got measurements. So you've got your millilitres, and then on the back you've got pints and quarts and that sort of thing, so you can turn it around. And yeah, good to go. I'm very happy with the bowl. and it is microwave safe, so you can put it in the microwave. So yeah, I hope that's helped. Do subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave your comments below. I will be making some recipes with the Kenwood Chef, so if you've got anything in particular you'd like seen made, please let me know in the comments below. Well, thanks very much for watching. Have a great day. See you soon, and bye-bye for now.